Hi, lady. Aw. Can you give her a kiss? Oh, good job. Say hi. What's lady do? Meow, yeah. That's her face. Meow. Is that her face? It's her mouth. Bryce, say hi, lady. Bryce, can you look at mama?
No.
Aw, that's nice. Good job. Bryce, where's your head? Bryce, where's your head? What are you doing? Don't head wrestle, lady. Bryce Ryan, where's your head? Where's your head? It's right there? Where's your head? Good job. Where's your nose? Nose. That's lady's. Where's your nose? Good job. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Bryce, where's your mouth? Bryce Ryan, where's your mouth?